Or your Roblox apps keep crashing? Suddenly users keep saying that their normal Roblox or Roblox or CSX is also keep crashing. Now to solve your keep crashing issues for your Roblox account, please follow only a few troubleshooting guides. So let's get started. First, open setting. Scroll down to the additional setting. Scroll down to the developer option. Make sure to turn on the developer option. Scroll down and find graphics drive preferences. Tap on it. Now find Roblox game. It can be the normal Roblox or RCSX. Tap on Roblox. Choose the system graphic driver. Now go back. Scroll down and tap allow screen overlay on setting. Scroll down again. Find out this option. Always show the crash dialog. Toggle this on. After that, move on and follow the next process. To follow the next process, open setting. Scroll down to apps. Tap manage apps. Look for the Roblox application. Tap on it. Now tap auto start. Tap battery saver. Tap no restriction. Tap clear data. Choose a clear all cache. Tap OK. After that, remove Roblox from your background. Before you check your issues, make sure to update your Roblox game on your Android device. If you still have any problem with your Roblox app, please tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching.